Hi, boys and girls. It's time for math. We are going to be adding three-digit numbers using a number line. I believe we started doing this before we left school, but I'm going to review it today, all right? You are going to be doing your independent practice on the Pearson Success Tile. I sent you all on Google Classroom the tutorial how to get on this program. Okay, that's where you're going to find your independent problems to do on loose leaf paper. Keep all your stuff in a folder or in a journal, a math journal. You guys can buy a little composition book for math and one for writing, and then everything is kept there. You don't have to keep track of papers. Okay, so let's start with adding on a number line. First of all, you need to remember your place value. Yes, starting from the left, we have our hundreds, tens, and ones. This is 576. Remember how you could write those numbers in different ways. You could write it with the values. 500s is 500, 7 tens is 70, and 6 ones is 6. And you could write it out in words, and this is the numeral, okay? All right, so let's look. I tried not to take too many problems from the book because on that Pearson Success Tile, it's the same thing I'm doing. So you might see some of these in the book as well on that tile. All right, here we go. We've got 481 plus 122. You always want to plot the largest number. So I look at the hundreds. 4 is greater than 1, so I know that's the largest number. Okay, so I just plot it right there. 481. Okay, so how many hundreds are in the next number? 100. I do a huge hop. 481, 581. Okay, that's 100. And then I go to the tens, and I have 2 tens. So those are 2 medium hops, okay? And again, you're looking at the tens place right there in 581. 581, 591. That's a 10. 591. And another 10. Now, if you get confused, because we're going into the 600s, just count on 10. 591, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 600, 601. And now we're at the ones place. So we have to have 2 hops. 601, 602, 603. That's a 1 and a 1. Okay, so 481 plus 122 is 603. Okay, and you know Miss Benito's old school. So if you want to do it another way, whatever way works for you, number line, quick pick, line up the place value. Show you that later. Old school always comes last. You want to use all the strategies I teach you, and whatever one you like, that's what you use. Okay? All right, let's do the next one. We've got 375. Can you guys see me? 375 plus 118. Plot the largest number, 375. Okay. Now I go to here, 118. 100, big hop. 375, 475. And then we're going to hop our tens, which is 110. And you look at the tens place. That's what you're counting on from, okay? So 475 and 10 more is 485. And then we have 8 ones, okay? So we're just going to count by ones. I'm going to do the hops first and then count. Okay, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 485, 80, and I'm just going to put 86 so I can fit it. 486, 487, 488, 489, 490, 491, 492, 493. 375 plus 118 is 493. You guys are pretty good at this, but my thing is I wanted you to practice counting on from hundreds, counting on from tens, and counting on from ones using 3-digit numbers. Okay, here's our last one. I miss you guys being in front of me on your whiteboards. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. All right. Our next addition problem is 615 plus 340. Plot the largest number. 615. Hold on. Okay, here we go. All right. I'm going to hop 300s and 340. There's 300s. 1, 2, 3. Again, 615, 715, 815, 915. These are all hundreds, yes? Big hops. Okay. 4 10s, medium-sized hops, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, you're looking at the 10s. 915, 925, 935, 945, 955. And 0 ones. We don't have anything, so this is the end. 615 plus 340 is 955. And there you go, boys and girls. So you're going to log on to the tile under instructional tiles, Pearson Success Maker. Okay, click on that. And you, like I said, you have the tutorial. So then you would go to topic 10.2. Okay, 10.2. And do some problems independently. All right. Love you. Bye. See you for the next lesson, which will be drawing a quick pick, partial sums, adding 3-digit numbers.